Everyone has been waiting for their tourist destination to open up, and one of those countries is the sunny shores, Singapore. From August 29, 2022, all visitors to Singapore will be able to enjoy quarantine-free travel, with simplified COVID-19 measures in place, allowing them to explore the island with peace of mind.
Let's go over the essential requirements together now. General travel requirements. Beginning on August 29, 2022, Singapore will welcome all visitors, regardless of COVID-19 vaccination status. For fully vaccinated visitors. All fully vaccinated visitors are welcome in Singapore.
And there is no need for entry approvals, pre-departure tests, on-arrival tests, or quarantine. Both fully vaccinated and unvaccinated children, aged 12 and below by year of birth, will be permitted to enter Singapore. Your pre-departure checklist. 1. Obtain proof of vaccination. 2. Secure tickets for any flight to Singapore. 3. Download the TraceTogether app and register your profile. 4. 3 days before departure, submit SG arrival card and e-health declaration through the official and free e-service on the Immigration and Checkpoints Authority (ICA) website. For non-fully vaccinated visitors. Non-fully vaccinated visitors will no longer be required to complete a 7-day stay-home notice (SHN) or take an exit (SHN) polymerase chain reaction (PCR) test beginning on August 29th. Your pre-departure checklist. 1. Make sure you have COVID-19 travel insurance with at least $30,000 in medical coverage. 2. 2 days before departure, take a COVID-19 polymerase chain reaction (PCR) test or professionally administered antigen rapid test (ART). 3. Include the 4 checklist previously mentioned for fully vaccinated visitors. Simplified COVID-19 measures. With the latest COVID-19 measures, explore the best of Singapore with greater peace of mind. Mask wearing. Masks will not be required in most places, both indoors and outdoors, with the exception of healthcare settings, public transportation, and some flights and ferries. Depending on your destination, some flights and ferries may require you to wear masks on board. Prior to your trip, you should check with the respective operators about the mask wearing requirement. Dine In. Dining in is permitted for all fully vaccinated individuals. This includes restaurants, hawker centers, and coffee shops. Should you feel unwell or test positive for COVID-19, the Singapore Ministry of Health (MOH) has issued a set of protocols that you should follow if you are feeling unwell, displaying COVID-19 symptoms, or test positive while visiting Singapore. Keep yourself updated. Travel restrictions and safe distancing rules may change at short notice. For updates on Singapore's COVID-19 situation, refer to Ministry of Health and Government SG. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please click and subscribe and comment below.